say that you compare these in terms of their sodium to the healthy snacks, and the healthy snacks are not as healthy as they advertise them.
Exactly. The point is, our healthy snacks are not so healthy. Please don't forget to see the label. Hi guys, I'm Nasreen.
And I'm Sakshi.
And we recently shot our video on healthy snacks. So today we're going to try out our unhealthy snacks.
I'm really keen to know Nishreen's point of view on these because I have these all the time on set because these are the most.
Yeah, so let's check it out. Let's start with Kurkure. Let's just do it.
Nostalgia.
This is the Lay's Magic Masala. Spicy and tasty. And now I'm going to try the
Lime, fiery and lime.
dynamite. What is it?
Tastes like Nimbu Pani.
Yeah? I definitely won't snack on this, even if it's healthy. Now let's see what's behind guys. So now the biggest difference here is I can see vegetable palm oil, which is really bad for us, and that's what makes this really unhealthy. So avoid anything with palm oil. This has 6 grams of protein, which is as much as a healthy snack, so it's not as bad. And also the sugar is comparable to the healthy snacks. It's 694 milligrams of sodium, and that had around 700.
750 or something.
Yeah, 7 around that range. So the point is the healthy snacks are not that healthy. So now we come to our Doritos, and this again has palm oil, which is bad. Stay away from it. Protein is again 6.8 grams. Wow. Sugar, there is added sugar, but okay. And sodium is 756 milligrams. This was as much as our healthy snack. Guys, really please check your healthy snacks and have everything in moderation because your healthy snacks are also not very healthy. And this has a lot of artificial sweeteners and preservatives. Now we come to our Lay's, which is something we've grown up. I mean, of course, all of them in Kurkure and all, but yeah, again, this has palm oil. Protein is 6.9 grams. This is really, all of them have more protein than a healthy snacks, guys. Except the Tali protein, which has 10 grams. Yeah. This has added sugar. So sodium is 826 milligrams.
So, do you mean to say that you compare these in terms of their sodium to the healthy snacks, and the healthy snacks are not as healthy as they advertise them to be?
Exactly, because sodium is something which is not very good for us, and our healthy snacks, we assume them to be healthy, but they have sodium as compared to all of them. These in fact have more proteins than some of the healthier snacks, only they are made with palm oil, which is of course very unhealthy. But the point is, our healthy snacks are not so healthy. Please don't forget to see the labels. It's all hiding in plain sight.